So today we've got a company in called Town and Country Garden Buildings from Worcestershire. I've been looking for a workshop for my YouTube channel for quite a while. I've had about 5 builder quotes in. Some of them are coming in at like 20 grand just for an outer shell. I'm not going to say an exact price because I'm sure they fluctuate. You can check these guys out on eBay. I'll leave all their info in the video description, but they came in at well under half the price. Bonuses is it's in and out in one day. This should be going up today, and you know the structure, the doors, the windows, roof and floor walls should all be done today, which is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see it. Got a bifold door and a French door on it, and it's coming at a super competitive price. If you want to look at prices for yourself, check them out on eBay. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link for the company in the description. Just going to let these guys crack on with the start of this now, and yeah, get you some clips of the build.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself.
Here she is then, all done, all complete. So we've got the French doors, 2 tall opening windows, and in the middle then we've got an 8-foot bifold. I think it's a 4-foot French door on the right and an 8-foot bifold on the left, and then 2 tall opening windows. Got a rubber roof upgrade, 90mm I think it is, tongue and groove. The floor's pretty solid inside. It don't really flex or bow, so once all the electrics and stuff are done inside, I'll be able to go straight over the floor with some underlay and you know, laminate floor, whatever flooring I choose. So the tall windows here and here seem to completely open out, which is amazing. Good for ventilation. Even this afternoon, October, it's quite a warm afternoon now, so it's nice to have that ability to get a bit of a breeze in there. Bifold's opened up completely. Right, the French door, obviously that will open, but this handle on the left will hit that glass, so I don't want to have it open just yet until I've got some kind of door stop or way of preventing that door from hitting that window. Here's the roof beam that was talking about putting in. I don't know, what is that? Is that a couple of 6x2s screwed together? That should give a pretty decent amount of strength, I'd imagine. And look at the size of this. This Tyvek membrane. This damp-proof membrane isn't something that always comes as standard, but they do it as an upgrade. It's well worth doing if you're going to be using it as a kind of garden room. What are you doing? Leave me alone. This is going to be perfect for YouTube. I've got it on a wide angle lens. I don't know if I'm making it look a little bit bigger than it is, but it is pretty big. I think it's 14 foot this way by 22 foot this way. Still got a lot of work to do. Gonna have to get some electrics in, creosote the outside of the shed, put some guttering on, etc, etc. There's a good sort of 6, 7, 8 inch drop down off of the workshop, so probably going to put a small patio or deck in a few foot off of this edge, which will be quite nice to have the bifolds opening out onto that. The floor's pretty solid, I'm happy with that. Sometimes you can get these sheds and the floor bows and it's all a bit bit rubbish, but not in this case. These windows open out, as you can see, fully. And the only issue I notice, it's not necessarily an issue with, like, it's nothing to do with the build quality, it's just unfortunate that when you open out this, just about touching. If the window's open, if you open the window up, obviously it's definitely going to hit, but it is making contact, so I'm thinking of just popping down a little door stop here, maybe somewhere, a little something discreet just to stop it being able to hit the window. Obviously you've got to bear in mind with this, I guess, if the window's open, then whatever you put there is not going to work either, so that's definitely something I've got to bear in mind. I mean, I might just use the bifolds or maybe keep this window shut. Yeah, it's not as if I'm short on getting a breeze in the place. I've got French doors, bifold doors, 2 opening windows. Maybe I'll just leave this one shut, fit some kind of door stop to stop that door hitting the window before I end up with, you know, I don't want to end up with a smashed window at this stage. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check these guys out on eBay, link will be in the description. Don't hit me up for prices. I don't know what they charge for certain things. They do so many different types of buildings, from cedar clad down to, you know, stuff that's a little bit cheaper. This is obviously a bit cheaper than cedar. I'm going to do a little flyover on the drone now just to finish up, show you it from all angles with the rubber roof finish, etc, etc. And I'll see you guys in the video soon. Take it easy.
Retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement.